Welcome to the Shaolin Soccer. This is a simple but unique game that combines soccer's excitement with strategy. Let's dive into the game's setup and rules. First, let's look at the game setup. Start by shuffling 9 cards, then place 6 of them face down in a 3 by 2 grid to form the field. The 2 farthest sections are called the attacking third, the middle sections are the middle third, and the nearest ones are the defending third. Your goal is behind your defending third, while the opponent's goal is at the opposite end. Take one of the remaining cards and place it as the public area. Each player then picks a card from the remaining 2, keeping it face up as their Zhao, which means their tactic card. Now, let's set up the players. Players decide who goes first by flipping a coin. The first player places their 6 meeples, representing their team, on any area of the field, followed by the second player. After both sides finish placing their meeples, the first player puts the white soccer disc in any area in the middle third. And that's it for setup. Once the game begins, players take turns to perform actions. On your turn, you can choose between moving pieces or, in some cases, using a Zhao. Let's start with movement. Each move consists of 3 steps: choosing a starting area, picking up pieces, and moving them to an adjacent area. Step 1. Choose a starting area with your meeples, ensuring you have at least as many meeples as your opponent in that area. Step 2. Pick up pieces. If the starting area has fewer than 4 pieces, take all of them. If it has more, select 4, making sure your meeples outnumber the opponents in that selection. Step 3. Move the pieces 2 steps. As you move, leave half the pieces, rounding down, in each area you pass through. If there are opponent pieces in a location you enter, the soccer ball is intercepted and must be left there. In addition to movement, players can use their Zhao for special actions. After using a Zhao, return it to the public area. If the starting area is emptied of pieces, flip the card face up. Players can adjust their Zhao cards at the end of their turn by either taking one from the public area or swapping theirs with one from the public area or starting area if they haven't used a Zhao this turn. To win, get the soccer ball into your opponent's goal. Alternatively, if the opponent has no valid moves left, they lose. The game also ends in a draw if both teams are down to 3 or fewer meeples on the field. And that's Shaolin Soccer. Simple rules, but deep strategies. You can check the rulebook for more detail. Try it out and score that winning goal.